Life insurance without a 2-year waiting period. If you are someone 50 and older that is looking for life insurance, you may have seen commercials and they say at the end or in fine print that there will be a 2-year waiting period in order for the plan to fully mature and for you to be fully 100% covered. Meaning that if you passed or when you pass, that your family, your beneficiary, would get the full face value of your policy. So, what can you do to know ahead of time if you may possibly qualify for a life insurance plan that does not have a 2-year waiting period? Well, you're going to need to be healthy. Now, healthy is in the eye of the beholder, but I'm going to give you some example questions that you'll be asked. And with these questions, if you're not able to say no to all of them, you most likely will be in a policy that has the 2-year period for waiting. And just to give you word for word, have you ever been diagnosed, treated, tested positive for, or been given medical advice by a member of the medical profession for congestive heart failure, cardiomyopathy, memory loss, Alzheimer's, senile dementia, heart defibrillator implant, 2 or more instances of internal cancer or cancers, or terminal illness? Meaning, terminal illness is the expected result is death within 24 months. That's a terminal illness. Can you say no to that? Another sample question. Have you had diabetes at age 9 or been diagnosed with diabetes at age 9 or younger? Can you say no to that? Within the last 2 years, have you been diagnosed, treated, tested positive for, or been given medical advice by a member of the medical profession for uncontrolled diabetes or uncontrolled high blood pressure? Can you answer no to that? Within the last year, have you been confined to a hospital, been advised by a member of the medical profession to have surgery or hospitalization, used oxygen due to a medical condition, been unable to care for yourself, or been bedridden at home or in a nursing home, hospice, long-term care, or assisted living facility? Can you answer no to that question? Have you had an organ transplant, untreated hepatitis C, kidney failure or dialysis, amputation due to diabetic complications, multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, mental retardation, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, or Lou Gehrig's disease, Down syndrome, cystic fibrosis, or Huntington's disease? Did any medical professional ever ask you or diagnose you with those things? Can you say no to that? So that is not everything on all applications. I'm just giving you an idea of what you have to be able to answer no to in order to qualify for a full coverage day one plan if you are 50 or older with most insurance companies. If you could and can answer no to those questions that I just gave you, I am Andrea Edwards, again, licensed insurance agent, and I am a broker, meaning that I am not connected with one company only. I search all companies. I'm contracted with multiple companies to help you find the best plan at the best rates. So if you are a healthy senior, healthy again in quotes because every company is going to have their own questionnaires, but if you feel you're a healthy senior, very little problems, you're mobile, you may be taking a blood pressure medicine or something of that nature, but you don't have any serious health conditions and you do not want a life insurance policy that requires you to wait 2 years before your family and loved ones can get full benefit, because we are not promised tomorrow. If that is you, reach out to me. You can call me at 833-537-7700, or you can reach me at the link below, applyoverthephone.com.